You fed up with guessing which crypto trading platform actually gives you the best advantage? Today, we're putting 3 absolute heavyweights head to head. One offers rock-solid centralized security, another gives you the pioneering decentralized experience, and the third is completely rewriting the rules on yield on the BNB chain. Which one is right for your portfolio? Let's find out. Trading cryptocurrencies carries risks, such as price volatility and market risk. Before deciding to trade cryptocurrencies, consider your risk appetite. I'm not a professional advisor, but let's get started. All right, everyone. So for this video, we'll be taking a look at Kraken, Thena, Phi, and Uniswap. These are actually 3 distinct pillars of the modern crypto trading landscape, and each one caters to different user needs, really highlighting just how diverse the ecosystem has become. So let's kick off this video with Kraken. Now, Kraken operates as a highly secure, centralized exchange that's often referred to as the Fort Knox of crypto. It has actually maintained a long-standing flawless security record by keeping about 95% of user assets in geographically distributed cold storage. Kraken makes it easy to enter and exit the cryptocurrency markets, and it also allows for seamless conversion between traditional currencies like the US dollar and the euro and digital assets as well. For advanced users, Kraken Pro offers deep liquidity, professional-grade charting, margin trading up to 5 times, and of course, futures trading with leverage up to 50 times, catering to experienced and institutional traders. I encourage you all to go ahead and check them out. You can find their About section right here. So why choose Kraken? They offer customer service and a lot of different information you can find on their website, so make sure to do your own research. That way, you'll be informed and able to make better decisions about which one is best for you. Want more leads and to dominate your niche? Your Trenker.net is here to cut through the fluff and build real strategies that get results. Alright guys, so let's start by opening an incognito window. This keeps our searches clean and free from any bias from previous browsing. So let's go ahead and make sure the settings for this are set to English. Alright, so let me go ahead and run a couple of searches. So, high proxies, who comes up first? Look at that. That's me right there. Alright, let's run one last thing and see if this one also gives us a positive result. Look at that, guys. My thumbnail's ranking at the top of the search result. So that's how you know you're doing something right. So do you want your business to be the go-to in your industry? It starts with yourtranker.net, where we take you straight to the top. Let's get back to the video. Now, the second one on our list for this video, guys, is Thena. Now, Thena stands out as a DeFi innovator on the BNB chain, and it positions itself as a super app that brings centralized exchange-level tools into a decentralized environment. Now, its tokenomics model introduces a unique voting and emission system that actually aligns with what token holders need. Now also emphasizes capital efficiency through their Alpha Perpetual platform, which offers up to 60 times leverage. All right. That's 60 times leverage, and cross-margin accounts that let you share collateral across multiple positions to help manage liquidation risk. As you can see, they're backed by the best in the ecosystem. These are their partners, their grants, their audits, their communities. Of course, I encourage you to go ahead and check all those out so you can learn more about who they are, what they do, and what gives Thena an edge over other competitors, all right? Now, these are their docs. Guys, this is one part where I strongly suggest you start your own research because there's a ton of information here that will help you understand more about who they are, what they do, and what really makes them stand out, or what they bring to the table that others don't. So that's Thena, guys. And finally, last but definitely not least, this is one you already know about. If you've been trading crypto for a while now, you've heard about Uniswap. You've heard of it, or maybe you've even used it already. Alright, so Uniswap remains the pioneering decentralized exchange on Ethereum. And as the original automated market maker, it allows peer-to-peer trading directly from Web3 wallets in a fully permissionless, non-custodial way. So with no sign-ups or KYC requirements, users can keep full control of their private keys. And with Uniswap's wide range of available tokens and innovations like concentrated liquidity in V3 and advanced accounting features in the newer versions, it keeps making things more efficient for both retail and high-volume traders. Now, of course, guys, again, I want to make sure that you're doing your own research. And what better way to do that than by going to their website and checking out their docs? And this one has a different look to their docs, but still, it gives you a lot of different information that will help you get to know more about who they are, what they do, and what really sets Uniswap apart, since, in my honest opinion, it's one of the oldest or maybe one of the most well-known exchanges out there. Alright guys, so there you have it. You've seen the centralized fortresses, the high-yield BNB innovator, and the decentralized pioneer. So each platform is actually bringing a completely different weapon to your trading arsenal. Now, it depends on how you like to handle your digital assets. At the end of the day, it really comes down to what you value most right now: fiat convenience, cutting-edge tokenomics, or ultimate wallet freedom. So the choice is entirely up to you. Let me know in the comments section, guys, which path you're taking. So again, guys, make sure to go ahead and check out Kraken, Thena.fi, and Uniswap. Links to these will be in the description of the video. And of course, if you're new to the channel, hopefully you'll consider clicking like, subscribing, and hitting that bell. That way, you'll always be notified when I upload new videos like this in the future. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.